Move abroad without a job offer. That is, sponsor yourself to a new country to live and work. Are you open to that? If you are, then do watch this video to the end. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and this is Jackie Travels. On this channel, I share content to help you relocate abroad to work, to study, and to live. My mission on this channel is to assist you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities that are available to you abroad. So if this is something you're interested in, then I'll recommend you subscribe to my channel and possibly turn on the post notification so you will know every time I share new content. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. And if you've been watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe, I don't know what you're waiting for. You've watched more than one of my videos, you keep coming back. That is proof that you like what I'm doing here. So I would really love to have you as a subscriber. Please subscribe to my channel, join the family, and be notified every time I share a new video. It will mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel, so please do. In this video, I bring you a beautiful country, like a top destination in the world where you can travel to without a job offer. You sponsor your own visa down to the country to go live and work. So if you need a change of scenery, you just want to migrate abroad to just stay somewhere new while you work remotely, then this video is for you. This is a digital nomad visa for Malta. Malta is this amazing country in Europe. It is an island country in the Mediterranean Sea. It is a popular tourist destination. People love to travel to Malta for vacation, to just live. They love it there. It has a warm climate and breathtaking landscape that serves as locations for top film productions. It's a very beautiful country and it's part of the European Union, and English is widely spoken in the country. So Malta has this digital nomad visa for freelancers, remote workers to migrate to the country to live while they make their money from outside the country. So if you're working in a place where your physical presence is not needed in the office, you can work from anywhere in the world, or you're a freelancer, you take up clients from all over the world as well, or you have your own business and your physical presence is not needed for you to make money, then this visa is for you. So if what I've mentioned here doesn't sound like you, but you have this desire to be a freelancer or a digital nomad or a remote worker, or you want to own a business where you can operate from anywhere in the world, then you should subscribe to my second channel, Jackie Finance. I'm going to link it up here. On that channel, I share opportunities for you to make money online. It's basically a finance channel about side hustles, ways you can make money online. So if you desire to be a freelancer, you desire to make money online basically. So if you desire to be a freelancer, then check out my channel, Jackie Finance. You can actually start from today to become a freelancer, so you can take advantage of all these digital nomad visas I've been talking about. Nobody's born a digital nomad, so if you don't qualify right now, you can work towards qualifying for it, right? I have videos on my channel about digital nomad visas. I have one for Portugal, one for Malaysia, one for Thailand, so you may want to check that out. And then this one is for Malta. So let's get into the requirements, the documents, who can apply, and all of that. So what is the Malta digital nomad visa conditions? You can apply for this visa if you meet the following requirements. That is, if you are a citizen of a third country, you have a monthly income of at least 2,700 euros, and you are a partner of a company registered outside Malta, or you are an employee of a company outside of Malta and have a contract with that company, or you are a consultant or offer freelance or consulting any different services for citizens outside of Malta with whom you have a contract. So for this visa, can you travel with your family? Yes, you can travel to Malta with your family under digital nomad visa. It's open to dependents, so you can travel with your spouse, you can travel with your children, and any child basically that depends on you. So if you have anyone you're caring for who depends on you financially, or who depends on you for care, like they have a disability or something, then you can also apply for them as a dependent on this visa. So let's look at the benefits of the digital nomad visa. The benefits of living in Malta as a freelancer with a digital nomad visa include the following. English is the primary language in Malta. You can visit other Schengen countries while your digital nomad residence permit is valid. While living in Malta, you will have easy access to Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. Malta is an island that is known for having friendly citizens. Malta as an island has beautiful beaches, cafes, and bars where you can have a wonderful time. You can enjoy delicious dishes of seafood. Malta has the perfect beach weather. Malta is one of the places you can have access to 5G. So they have really fast internet, which is good for a digital nomad. I mean, if you work remotely, then internet is like the number one need that you have, and Malta has that. So let's look at the documents you're going to be needing to apply for this visa. You need your valid passport. You need to fill application forms. Now, there are different application forms. There's one if you're applying for yourself, and there's another one if you want to bring family members along. And you'll be needing a cover letter. The letter must include important details of your trip to Malta, the reason why you have chosen Malta as a freelancer, and how long you plan to stay, where you plan to stay, you know, things like that. You have to give these details in your cover letter. You need proof that you have stable income as a freelancer, work contracts describing your job position and all that. And you will need a CV. Ensure you update your CV with your latest job experiences and gather all previous training documents, certificates, and all. And you will also need your relationship status, that is documents to prove if you were married. And you'll be needing proof of accommodation. You need to provide proof that you have a place to stay in Malta, such as a rental agreement. And you'll be needing bank statements, your bank statements for the past 6 months. This document proves that you are financially stable and can finance yourself while staying in Malta. And you'll be needing health insurance for digital nomads. This health insurance must be valid when applying for the visa. And you'll need a health declaration, that is medical documents to prove that you are in good health condition. So how do you apply for this visa? This is one of the easiest visa applications ever. Everything is done online. So you gather all the documents I've listed, and then you send in an online application. And then you travel to Malta to collect your resident permit. As easy as that. And you'll be getting a decision on your application in about 30 days. It takes an average of 30 days to get a decision on your application. So this online application is done at nomad.residencymalta@gov.mt. So how long can you stay in Malta on this visa? That is very vital information. This visa is valid for 1 year, and before it expires, you can renew it. It's renewable, so you can continue to renew this visa. So if you qualify for this, gather your documents and send in your application, and I wish you all the best. I'll be bringing you more videos of more digital nomad visas. If you found this video useful, then do give it a like and share it to others so they can take advantage of this opportunity. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in the next one.